Let's make a meal fit for a god. Thor's hammer. In the multiverse of meat, tacos have a new god. This is Thor's hammer. We smoked this beef shank at about 300 degrees for about 7.5 hours. We wrapped it about 4 hours in, let all that beautiful color get in there. This thing is falling apart like absolute butter. It makes great tacos. You can kind of flavor it however you want. Got some of that beef shank, some cilantro, some white onion, some queso fresco, just a little bit of lime. Let's see if Thor's right. Kind of like beef cheek, but not quite as fatty. A lot more tender than some other cuts. I will be doing this all the time. Move over, carne asada. Well, Thor's onto something with this.